Hello everybody, I'm starting a new pour today and I thought I would just take a quick moment. Never was really big into arts and crafts, don't consider myself an artist by any means, but I do enjoy taking some time to do a little something different from what you're doing day to day. Gives you a moment to focus, whether you're a reader, whether you're a walker, whether you're, a knitter. Get something different that you don't normally do. Do it intensely for 15 to 30 to 45 minutes, and it will help you out with whatever you're thinking about. It'll give your mind a break from work, from outside stresses, and let your mind wander doing something else. Focus intently on everything that you're doing so that you can give your mind a break from those other stresses. And I find that you'll find either the answer that you're looking for, it'll just pop in your head. Much like, sometimes when we're taking a shower and then all of a sudden the answer that you've been searching for kind of pops in your head, or you figured out how to just solve something better than you were currently doing it. Take that minute to do something else that's intensely focused, so that you can come back to the situation, come back to a problem with a clearer mind and more focus. So anyways, today I'm doing a re-pour. And some of you asked me what I do with my other canvases. This one was okay, but it wasn't real detailed. It was super stretched. As far as the ring pour, I like the colors, but I've decided to re-pour it and blocking off the corners, because the corners are the hardest to get when you're doing a circular motion. So just add a little extra paint to the corners, scrape it down with your popsicle stick or whatever you want to use to get some paint in there, because the more paint you have, the more fluid the rest of your pour will be. If you get that layer there, it helps your paint move. So again, still working on something from the cabin. I have one that I really like that I've showed you before. It looks like a kind of like a world that I'm hanging on to, but I want something a little bit better. I'm still shooting for those kind of mountain layers. So I'm gonna lay down some more black here in the center, and I'm gonna go for 4 rings. I've tried 2 before. I just don't get that linear pattern that I want. So I'm going to try 4 distinct rings and then stretch. And I poured everything in. I tilted it this way and poured everything in. So everything's layered up on this side. So I'm going to turn it and pour it from here instead of pouring it from here, because it'll give you a different design. So let's see if I can do this and do a little camera work. This one I'm not actually moving. Usually I swirl it. I'm actually just letting everything build up. And because you never get the same pour twice, I'm going to put this one over here. And I'm going to actually just turn it. And now do it from the opposite side for this quadrant. Give you a totally different look. Same paints, they just come out differently. Okay, now I'm going to give both of these a little time to grow and develop, because they're starting to produce some of the cells. I'm going to do this cup. Again, poured it tipped this way, so I think I'm going to flip it backwards. Let's see what we get here. Until my canvas is not level, because it's dipping towards the center. I usually have something up underneath it. All right, so let's see. This one needs to go here. And I poured it this way, so I'm going to go pour this way and see what we get. Again, all same colors. Totally different rings. Okay, so let's put, look at that one. crazy. Gonna add another ring here, another ring here. So what I want to do is stretch these out, but I don't want to stretch them out so much that I lose some of these cool circles. There's a lot of metallics in here, so a lot of the neat colors really won't show up till tomorrow. This kind of looks muddy. I'm going to put some of these cool colors in here. Give it a little swirl and turn it. Alright, let's see. Got a little bit left in the cups, and then I've got a couple that are unmixed that if I need some extra color, I can go swirl it all over the canvas. Alright, I'll show you what I have when I'm done. Bye.